Hello Jim Tech Buzz, we've got the all new iPhone 15 Pro 256GB. Here's the box. Again, we've got similar from last year. The phone is slightly raised up from cover and the iPhone on each side and the bottom there like so. And that's it there, so let's get the peeling done. So do stay tuned for lots of accessories and case reviews coming soon. Of course, watch Ultra 2, which is here, but UPS was here, knocked on the door, ran off, so I have to go and chase that. So stay tuned for that as well. And of course, if you've got any cases, get in touch with us. So nice finish on the box inside. This is the phone here. And we'll pop that to one side for a minute. So you get your usual books and stuff in here. SIM removal key. And of course some Apple stickers as well. New this time around is USB-C cable and it's braided. And that's it there. Nice feel to it there. And that's what it looks like. USB-C, USB-C. Here is the phone. Nothing on the front. That's the peel done. And that's the front of the phone there. And you see the colour we got this in here. Tried to get silver, couldn't get it, but I have a case of my phone all the time, so it doesn't really matter. Wasn't too bothered, but it would have been nicer to have. So you can just see up close there, it looks like at the top camera area there. Your Apple logo in the middle, ports on the bottom. USB-C, your speakers, and you've got your SIM here. And of course, we've got this new key here, or button should we say, which you can custom to whatever you want to use, which is pretty handy. And of course, you've got your volume toggles there. Up on top, there's nothing really exciting going on there. And that's pretty much it. So that's what it looks like there. It does feel a lot lighter than the 15 Pro, which we've came from. And it looks nice in this colour too, but it's got the titanium finish, but it did want the whole titanium colour, but couldn't get it. Out of stock everywhere I went, and this will have to do for now. But as I said, I have cases on it, which you should stay tuned for. We have lots of case reviews and accessories for the iPhone 15 Pro coming up, so stay tuned for that, and other bits and pieces as well. And that's it for now. So we'll quickly just give it a little bump here on the side and see it there. So that's your power key there, slightly raised, and that's the other keys there on this side here. And that's it there. So you can see the finish all the way around. Pretty nice screen, and that's it. So what we'll do is we'll begin the setup process, get it set up, and then get moving on our cases and our accessories and all that kind of stuff. So stay tuned for that, and stay tuned to watch Ultra 2. And we'll see the next one. So this is a quick video to show you what's like in case you weren't sure, or wanted to pick one up and see one in the flesh itself. This is it here. Looks really well, have to say. Better than I thought. But that's it for now. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.